So we're gonna film inside of this one. This is probably one of the coolest barbershops that I've seen in Asia. But it's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Like that. Look at that. It's really beautiful framed shot. Just like that. Okay. There's also an orange one too. So we're just gonna walk this way a little bit. It's actually kind of a frame shot too. Bikes are easy to frame, fun to frame, because they always look good in picture. Like this one, it's a nice framed shot right there, just like that. If you put somebody on the bike, it's like perfect. There's a video of in Penang, Malaysia. There's a shot like that where it's painted into the wall, and it's one of the most photographed shots of Malaysia. Actually, this little space right here has a lot of, up there's a balcony and you can eat foods over there. Let's see. Hey, I got a YouTube channel. I'll just say, this is Mauricio's bar. This is called Joker. So I'm definitely gonna film that. That's Mauricio right there. Let me film back a little bit and then we'll capture the shot. And then I'll explain to him and I'll just tell him what I'm doing. That looks pretty cool. What a show. So we're gonna film inside of this one. This is probably one of the coolest barbershops that I've seen in Asia. But it's true actually, because this place he has like really professionally well done. So so I get my hair cut here. So if you've seen me in the video, this is.
Do whatever you need to do to get there quick. Yeah. Seriously, and you have no issues with parking or anything, so
capture some of this detail. Capture this guy right here. This guy is a cool looking guy right there. So it's going to capture some of the cool stuff here. So you got different haircuts you can get in here. Get all this stuff right here. So I've been kind of looking more into these kind of cool stuff as well. And I'm going to fade out, and this is such a great spot right here. Beautiful detail. Hey, how you doing? Thanks, Marcia.
thank you. See you. Bye.
Bye. See you guys. So the best barbers in Macau right here. See you guys.
Right.
I was going to show that one. So I'm just going to walk back a little bit, and I'll just kind of capture this scene right here. And we're just going to do a little bit on the side. Okay, so this is this is Mauricio's barbershop, Joker's Barbershop and Grooming. So really cool place. Probably one of the best professional places I've ever been. So I could definitely tell you about that sometime, about like how I haven't really taken professional haircuts before, but I have now because of this place, because of Mauricio, the barber right there in particular. So yeah, and then this little bench you can kind of sit out in front of as well. So I'm just going to capture this area. This is also called Taipa. Yeah, look how cool this is. So anyways, this is I'll kind of show you more details about this whole area a little bit later. But I kind of want to conclude right there for his barbershop. Yeah, look how cool that is. He has a really great space. He was kind of telling me that he was working for another barbershop, Tony and Guy, I think it's called. Maybe somebody can correct me. But he was able to buy this space in here, and this space is beautiful. Really, really beautiful little space. So let me just capture around the corner, and then we're gonna go through this a little bit. I'm gonna capture it on this side as well. And I just want to show you this whole little area. So yeah, if you saw my other video, I was framing it in this space. And then this is Joker's Barbershop right there. And then we'll just kind of show you the main street, and then you can link all this area together a little bit. There's a bird up there. Yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. This is a great place for any business. Bella Taipa is right here. So if you're trying to get to this barbershop, go to Bella Taipa. I'm just gonna frame it real quick in this spot. Yeah, go to Bella Taipa. Goa Nights is right over here. This old Chinese medicine shop. So you can get all kinds of old stuff and tourist stuff too. All tourist stuff, conditioner, stuff like that. There's Bella Vista. There's Omoon. And then, so yeah, if you're trying to get to that barbershop, Omoon, Bella Taipa, and Goa Nights. I'm gonna film that in a second as well. And look how beautiful. And this is Goa Nights right there. So there's a balcony up there and you can sit and you can see everything. But it looks like it's closed right now. So, okay. Let me just walk across real quick. Frame that shot right there. And then we're gonna walk into this space in just a second as well. And then we're gonna just show this goodness of that space right there. Look at that. And I think this is the perfect spot that I want to conclude this video at, right there.